Okay, back again to the live. That seems people cannot see it. Okay, let me try to find another way to share the link. Maybe it's because of the link, not because of the live itself. Because I think I can see it on my phone. Here we go. This one should work. I think I shared the wrong one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So early in the morning, I was saying that early in the morning I alerted KOSS. It was around before 5 a.m. I alerted when it was between 30 and 31. We saw it run to about 40. Then it is cooling down now. I think there is still hope from this stock to go up, but there is always risk associated with running stocks. So because this run happened in the night, I expect it to dip once the market open. So let's watch and see what's happening there. As of now, it's very promise stock. It says it's going up again. Let me see. Yeah, there is no serious or large resistance at this point here. There is some resistance at 40, but I think it can break it up. It's possible, yeah. If it break the 40, we will see it at least around 60, the 55. Let's say 55. 55 is most likely what happened. But let's watch what's going to happen when the market opens. Let me draw some things here. Okay. Oh. So if you look at this chart here, it says it's buy now. It says buy now at 34. Place your stop loss around 32 and hope. But I don't recommend you guys to do it. I don't recommend anyone to buy at this moment because the market is 7 minutes to open and you expect everything to happen. So what I will do, I will just watch. Zoom, yeah, I don't know if you want to ask about Zoom. So at the moment, it has a very low volume. Overall, let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart is showing that it is running. It is going to run at least to the $3. But yeah, as I said in the chat room, I prefer to see it above 2.1 first. I like to see it above 2.1 to make sure it is running upward, not downward. if it did not pass the 2.1, there is high possibility for it to drop to around 1.5, 1.7. That is going to be a buy point if it dropped. Again, I have nothing to lose in Zoom. I first jumped in Zoom when it was about 0.5, 0.6 at this point here. So I first bought it here, then I averaged down several times. The last time, I took a profit several times. The last time I took a profit was around this point here. Then since that time, my average went below zero, so I have nothing to lose in Zoom. So I'm keeping whatever I have for the future. If it kept running, I am winning. If it dropped back even to zero, I have nothing to lose. What was the other one? GSAT. All right, so the chart kind of similar to Zoom. But it's not very promise from my side. Okay, let me try to find some things here. Yeah, the break happened here, then it went all the way up. This is a weekly chart. If you go to daily, okay, let me check something else. So guys, we have this alerted channel. You can join us. It's totally free. We're trying to build this community to help everyone there. So together we grow. GSAT. Yeah, I cannot tell exactly if it's going up or down at the moment. It's something in between. It's kind of a confusing thing. In addition, this thing here, this candle here is not showing any indication for the directions. Let me try to find some indicators. Yeah, I cannot see anything from the chart at the moment. It can drop back to 1.4 to 1 here, something around this area here. Yeah, something around 1.5 to 1.4. Okay. Or it can run more than 3. If you look at the weekly chart here, yeah, in the history, the maximum we reach is 4.5. So it's possible to go there, but I cannot decide yet, or I cannot say yet if it's going up or down. If it went back to around 1.4, I might buy. Let me check the faith restriction on this guy. 1 minute. 1 minute, then I will go to KOSS. GSAT. Yeah, there is a faith restriction, so I will not be able to buy it. But if it go back to this point here, then it can, like around this point here, it can run very high, like to 5 or something. So I'll be watching at the moment. I cannot tell if it's buy or not at the moment, but it is promising. It can go up very high. Okay, KOSS. Let me see at the moment. Yeah, you see? What's okay? The dip is happening. Let me try. Not these candles, I hate them. Here it is. Yeah. KOSS. You see, the dip is happening. It can go to 29. KOSS 30. Yeah, I think it's buy. Not yet. Yeah, it's definitely buy with the stop loss at 31. It's not stable yet. There is still risk on it, but this is the stop loss here. I said it's buy when it passed 31. It was 31.6. Let's see what's going on with it. At 35, I will average that. Yes, it's time to average down here. I'm sorry, to take profit. I mean, okay. If I could buy on time like 31, then I will be taking an average at the moment. I'm taking profit at the moment, and I will raise my stop loss to the 31, and it becomes like some profit with risk free. It can drop back to, if it dropped back to 32 and went up, we will see good numbers. It must not drop below 32. If you do not buy, wait. I think it will hit the stop loss. Yeah. Yeah. At least. So if I could buy at this here, I could have like about 40 boxes in this one. Yeah. So if you did not buy, don't buy now. Wait. Wait. Wait, because it's going deeper, I think. Nothing here is financial advice, by the way. It's your responsibility to apply your risk management system. What happened in this stock now, it's halted down, it's suspended. Things get suspended when the volume gets very huge or the price, like, it changes very quickly. So it gets suspended to save the money of the people. Yeah, definitely got suspended. So now when the market, now everyone is scared. Now many people are scared of this stock here. It's still possible for it to go very high, but it's risky. Because imagine that if you did not buy at 35 when it went up and it got suspended here, now everyone is placing a sell order. Everyone is selling. Everyone wants to sell and leave. So it will drop to here, to 25. So watching, I could not buy, although I told you guys it's buy at 31 and sell at 35. I could not do it. Okay, let me see. Let me see what other things I have here. Seva. I traded it a few days ago, but I still have some stocks. I still have some shares, I mean, in this guy. It is waiting time to run again above 60. The other day we had it running to the 65 here. Then down. I did not sell here. I was a little bit greedy. I did not sell here, so I'm still having it at 52, and it's still waiting for a sign to run. 65 will be the first step. Then we will see the 80 if it could break above 67. Remember these numbers, 65 and 80. If it drops below 45 or 44, it will be very bad for me, for everyone buying now. Yeah, let me look at something else. Okay, let me IXIC, Nasdaq. All right. So Nasdaq might. Okay, let me put on dailies. It might drop back again to 13,300. Possible. But don't worry about that drop. If you have something, you can average down. If you don't have, you can buy at the dip, because it is going back up to the 14 and 15,000s. Don't worry about the market. It had like 100% recovery in the history. You see here, every dip in the history followed by recovery, and it wants more than like. Let me see what I have here. Let me look at the cost again. Still halted. So I myself could not buy at 31 and sell at 35. I gave you the indication it's going there, but I could not do it myself. Now the bad thing about this thing here is that being held it right above the support. Okay, it's opened. It's opened. It's not up yet. From here and go, it's very risky. It will be by above 35 or maybe 33, but I will need to see it one bottom at least above 32. Okay, it is going. If you want to take the risk, you can buy now. You put stop loss around 31. here. Welcome, Sean. Welcome. UAMI. Okay, in a minute. Yeah. It must go up now. I think it's confirmed. Okay. All right, let me see it. Not yet. This guy will run more. Will run more at some point. So what I see here in this chart, in this particular stock here, that it has support here and some kind of resistance here. Resistance here. Okay. Any drop, any buy or sell at the moment between these two lines, it is risky. The better buy price will be above 35, the safer thing. If you want to take the risk, do not buy before 32. Not buy below this number at the moment, like 33 or 32.5 or something. It will go up at least to the 35. Then we will see if we want to. I also recommend you to take profit at whenever it goes up. But if it break above 35, definitely we'll see huge numbers. Okay, Atia asked about UAMY. UAMY. Okay. Any drop below 1 point here, around here. Any drop below around 1.85 will not be good for UAMI for day trade. It doesn't have a good volume too, so yep, I was right. 1.85 will be the price that we don't want to see it below it. Right, it is 5 minutes. Yeah, if you want to do it for a swing, if you don't want to do it as a swing, it's better if you wait it above like 2.1. It's better if you want to take the risk now and buy now and put maybe your stop loss for as a swing for at 1.6. maybe it will run. But if you want to be safer, wait for it till it passes 2.1, and from there, if it passes 2.5, it is going to first 3, then 4, then 5, then I don't know. Yeah, 2.1 will be a good entry as a swing. If you want to do it as a daily trade, don't let it go below 1.85. And it's up to you. It's your decision to take or to buy or sell or do whatever you want. It's your money, it's your portfolio. You are the only one responsible for that. You see here, okay, it is downtrending. KOSS, downtrending from now. It still did not completely pass the resistance, but if it did not, I think it's going to 25. It might go up from there. But it's not promising at the moment. I will just ignore it for now. SMH. Okay. Okay, I thought you were asking about the okay, I thought you were asking about the stock SMH. Okay, but anyway, this is let me look at it since we brought it up by mistake. Okay, this is Nasdaq chart, copying Nasdaq chart. It can, so I will just repeat what I said for Nasdaq. It can go back to 235, 240, then it will eventually run. So if you want to buy something, if you guys want to invest in something that may not lose, find things that follow Nasdaq and buy at the dip and let it go. This is a good one. Let me check the faith restrictions. SMH. Okay. I cannot find it here if it's okay or not. Let me read about it. Profile. Information technology. What the analysis says here. Okay. But yeah, since it's following Nasdaq, it's a good one to invest in it if you want. You keep your buy here few stocks and leave it for the future. It might drop back down, but eventually it will follow Nasdaq and it will go to the 280 and 300 and 500. Whenever it's there, whenever it's still there, it's going there. All right, 5 more minutes, guys, and then I will shut the live stream. All right. So let me look here and there and see if there is anything that can run. Game. It had a good move this morning. It has a faith restrictions. Games. You are playing games when you're playing things like this. It went from 90 to 200, then it's grabbing back to 112. I don't recommend things like these. Don't, because you see here, there is still a gap to fill, I believe. Not every gap that needs to be filled, but this is a very possible to go back down to 65, 70. I'm talking about like from a swing point of view, not a daily trades. For daily trade, definitely it's going down. Yeah, everyone can see it's going down. Some people will say, okay, we'll buy the dip. Okay, how deep it will go? No one will give you the answer. It's breaking down the resistance. It's going to 80, then 65 or 60, then eventually to 50. So, well, I might be wrong. It's all my opinion, so it's not guaranteed. Whatever I say is not guaranteed. I'm not like I don't have the magic stick that will change the game based on my hopes or based on my opinions. One last look at cost, then I will shut the live stream down. Okay, still dipping. Yeah, I will change it a little bit. Okay. If you are losing, you can average down anytime. If you're losing, if you're stuck in something and you don't know what to do, okay, as it go down, buy more, you will get the average down, and then you can sell. All right, so let me do some changes here. So when things moves down, the entire game it changes, like the buy levels, the sell levels, everything changes. Because this is what happens when you do the okay. Okay, I think it's highly possible that it will drop to 23 at the moment. Yeah. Anyway, it's not interesting for me anymore. Early when the market opened, we saw it dropping to 30, then went back at 31. I said it's a buy. Then and I told you guys it's buy, sell at 35. It touched 35 and then it went back down to the stop loss. I give you an indication that you might need to change the stop loss to the buy price. Then it went all the way down here. Okay, it needs to go above. Okay, I'm not gonna try to confuse you or track this one anymore, but if it drops more than 36, it definitely will go to 33. From 33, it will go to 20. Sorry, 23, then 20. So I'm not hoping that things will happen a lot here. There is a possibility. If it passes 28, then it's possible. The buy price will be above 30. You see here. Anyway, hopefully I could give you some advices. Let me look at this. I will draw for you one trend line, then I will move. Okay. Okay, it is like this one trend line. Once it goes to the right side of this trend line, it will be moving it will be an indication of it changing the directions from downward to upward. Once it moves above 28 and holds above 28, it will be an indication of uptrending. No buying before 30. The buy price will be above 30, then the sell price will be 33. All right. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your trade. Be safe. Thank you for watching. Good day.